How long do you want the story to be?
All right, hello everybody and welcome to Code and Coffee. As you've seen on Meetup, we're a bi-weekly event where engineers and developers can come in and work together, work on projects, just talk to each other, drink coffee, pastries. It's totally up to you guys.
Back when I started getting into tech 6 years ago, I dropped out of college with a business degree, knew not a single person in my personal network, friend network, or family network that actually worked in software development. What I did was I went to Virginia Code and Coffee. They used to hold them in Northern Virginia. Met some people. Turns out developers are really friendly. And those people I met at the very first meetup are still some of my best friends to this day. And I just want to provide or facilitate that level of connection with anyone trying to get into tech or just people that just want to make friends and grow. When I started 13 months ago, my plan was basically just to make the #1 meetup on meetup.com. At the same time, I realized there was a incredible need to bring back in-person meetup events. I've always wanted to do Code and Coffee in a major city. I've thought about it a lot. I was like, how can I make the most impact to the most amount of people? Let's do New York. So the first place we booked was Freehold. Initially we were gonna just show up, a bunch of nerds with laptops, sit down on their outside patio. So I actually emailed them. Freehold was this amazing venue, renovated warehouse, bar, coffee shop, co-working space, restaurant, club on the weekends. It was amazing. I think what eventually happened was people started showing up in droves. So we eventually started looking for, more bigger venues like current ones we have now. Yeah, so over the past 13 months, I've been traveling back and forth from DC to New York, 5 hours each way, 10 hours round trip. Every Saturday afternoon, I have this huge whiteboard checklist of maybe 40 something items I need to pack each time for Code and Coffee. After getting through that entire checklist, I load the car. I book a hotel in Flushing or New Jersey, because cheapest hotels, but still very clean. Head out there, spend the night, wake up in the morning, and then just head straight to Code and Coffee. After Code and Coffee is done, we typically have an after hours event, either drinks or a dinner, and then I head home. It's roughly 3 hours of actual doing things in New York and 10 hours of traveling back and forth. I sort of fear regretting it every time I come up, but every time I come home, it's wow, that was amazing. Being able to provide the space. People want in-person meetups, want to be connected. That just provides value all across the board. We accept you for whoever you are. We've had people all different walks of life.
I've done a little coding in Lua, and I'm not looking for a job yet.
Even our organizers all come from non-traditional backgrounds. That's what I really like about the software development community is people are naturally curious and friendly to other people trying to get into tech. For anyone on the fence coming to Code and Coffee, just come. There's enough space for everyone.